The Days of the World People's Assembly in Vietnam opened on Tuesday in Hanoi, co-hosted by the Vietnam Union of Friendship Organizations and the World People's Assembly.
And remarkably, this is the first time the high-profile people-to-people diplomatic event has been held in the country, and it will run from August 27th.
Operating under the theme Connecting Humanity for Common Values Towards a Better Future, the event highlights the growing role of people-to-people diplomacy in building trust and mobilizing social resources amid global shifts. Delivering the opening remarks, VUFO President Phan Anh Sơn proposed three key pillars for long-term cooperation: building a joint expert and innovation network, investing heavily in the younger generation, and advancing green science and sustainable development projects. Representing the international delegation, World People's Assembly Secretary General Andrei Belyaninov emphasized expanding cooperation across its network spanning over 60 countries. A major highlight of the opening ceremony was the signing of cooperation agreements between the World People's Assembly and 5 Vietnamese universities and educational institutions. Both sides hope these newly forged partnerships will pave the way for deeper and more substantive cooperation in science, education, and innovation. The Days of the World People's Assembly in Vietnam will continue with thematic discussions on science, education, economics, and culture. The aim is to connect partners, enhance people-to-people exchanges, and turn ideas into initiatives that benefit both Vietnam and Russia. Vietnam Today, reporting from Hanoi.